Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. First of all, just open the Phantom Wallet application, then log into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Just tap on this send button in the home screen. After that, you need to select Solana. Once done, you will be landed on this page and you will be asked to provide the name or the address, or you can even scan the QR code before proceeding to the next step. Over here you need to paste the address from the exchange in which you want to withdraw your Solana. Let's say you want to do it on Binance. You just have to launch your Binance application and then you need to tap on the deposit or add funds button in the top. After that, tap on this deposit crypto, and among these cryptos you just have to search for Solana. Now over here just select this Solana, first option. Now over here you have to select this Solana chain and it will show you the Solana network QR code as well as the deposit address. So over here you need to copy this address and then you need to come here on Phantom Wallet and on this page again. After that you just have to paste this address over here. Then you need to press confirm. Then you need to press next at the bottom. After that you need to enter the amount of Solana you have. Press next in the bottom again. Next you have to initiate your transfer and you just have to conclude it, and this way you will be able to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet and you can easily see it in your Binance account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.